this is FinalCut Studio Master. If you watched my previous tutorial, you'll notice I got a nice boost in sound quality. I forgot to mention that in my previous tutorial. That's due to the fact that I got a new mic. I'm no longer using the built-in mic on my iMac. I have a Rode video mic, a nice shock-mounted mic. Got it for use with my HG20, but it plays well with the line in on my iMac. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to export video for use with YouTube. This also works well for other video sharing sites like Vimeo. Let's see, Facebook. Those are the only ones. And Reaver, I think that's the one. There's some other ones, yeah, Metacafe. That's one. So it's great for all those other websites, but really good for YouTube. I have this project I created. I have my nice lower thirds.
First was Uncle Wiley lived.
So there it is, and I'm going to export this. So you can export directly from FinalCut Pro, but it's better if you go to Compressor because it is a standalone program for exporting and compressing video. I'm going to send to Compressor. Okay, so it's going to come up. And then you'll see in your settings tab, which I have mine set to layout standard. Actually, I'm going to make that a little bigger. Okay, so you have all your tabs, or all your presets, and then you have way towards the bottom, you have web. So go ahead and click the web triangle, and then you'll see YouTube sharing. You'll want to apply that, and then name it what it's going to be named. Interview 1. So I have that, and you can adjust it further if you don't want as high of quality audio or something. You can tweak the settings, and that's what is great about presets within Compressor and color and motion. Whatever presets you create, you can tweak. So I have this, and let's see, where is it going to go? Okay, I know where it's going to export to. So I'm going to submit and just leave that untitled. And let's see. Well, I don't see the. There it goes. So now we'll see it as exported the video, and then it will be optimized excuse me, for use with YouTube or other video sharing sites. It's a really good preset for use with YouTube. Let me go to YouTube now. So of course, after you have exported it, you'll go to your upload. Internet's terribly slow. And then you'll drag and drop or just upload video and insert your information. That's the tutorial. Post in the comments what you'd like to see next. Like this video, subscribe to see more tutorials. Be sure to check out my website. It's specifically for tutorials, v1deeasyo.com. And if you want to take a quick look at my personal webpage I made for school, you can type in v1de0.com/Scott.